G'day, I'm Roscoe from Zilzie Wines. We're a winery based out of Australia. We are Australia's fourth largest family-owned winery. We are now fourth generation owned, with a fifth generation soon to take over, based out of Mildura in Australia. We're here at the International Bulk Wine and Spirits Show in San Francisco, really with the goal to launch in the US, which we've done so far. So currently we're in 10 different states across the US. We're in Florida, California, Arizona, Colorado, Tennessee, North Carolina, and Georgia, as well as Pennsylvania and Vermont and Minnesota. So they're our 10 states of distribution. We do have a very large bulk wine capabilities in Australia, and we're looking to expand that here in the US. We do most varietals. One of our main focuses is on moving on our Sauvignon Blanc. We have some of the largest plantings of Sauvignon Blanc in Australia. This is our main focus. It's the 2023 Selection 23 Sauvignon Blanc. So one of the first in markets.